friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, I have some pineapple and my sister just coincidentally tagged me in a recipe. It's for air fryer pineapple and I thought my son might really like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it today. The recipe for the air fryer pineapple is from This Healthy Kitchen. I will link them below in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera down and we will get started. And like I said, this recipe is from This Healthy Kitchen and I will link the full recipe below. All right, so I'm gonna use this to mix everything in. Probably should cut my pineapple first before I do any melting and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna put my butter right back in there like that. Let me get the pineapple started. So let's cut this off. Cut the bottom off. It smells so good. Pineapple is delicious. Alright, now that I've made a huge mess, let me throw all this away and then we will go ahead and mix up our ingredients. Okay, butter is melted and boy, it was popping like crazy. Now I'm going to go ahead in and add my maple syrup. And then I'm going to add my cinnamon. I'm going to give it a good stir. Hopefully I have enough butter in there because, like I said, it was popping everywhere. I gotta wash out the microwave now. Smells pretty good. Alright. So now going to go ahead and pour this over the pineapple. Just like that, and then I'm just going to gently toss it. Make sure it's all covered. Alright, let me clean up my mess here, get the air fryer out, and let's try this recipe. Okay, my air fryer is out. I'm going to go ahead and lightly coat my pan. And as I mentioned in all my air fryer videos, if you have a non-stick air fryer pan, please do not use the aerosol. I have read that this can do damage. Get yourself an oil spritzer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put our pineapple right here on our tray. I want to dump it out because I don't want to get all that juice on the tray. So I'm going to make sure all my pieces are apart. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the air fryer, and like I said, the recipe will be linked below. Oops, got to hit that air fryer button. I am going to put these in for about 6 minutes. And then I'm going to flip them and then put them back in. So let's get ahead and get started. Okay, friends, it's time to flip. What I can tell you is that it definitely smells good. Okay, I think I turned them all. Alright, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this in for about 8 minutes, and then we'll check it again. Okay, my friends, here we go. Ooh, looks good. Looks delicious. Now, this is the true test. Let's go ahead and do a taste test. Alright, my friends, we are going to do a taste test. They smell good. I'm not tasting any maple syrup, which is a good thing because I do not like maple syrup, so I was a little nervous. There's a little bit of sweetness. It's just different. It's not just like eating pineapple. It just has a little... It's not bad. Not bad at all. I was expecting something so different because of that maple syrup. I like it. I do like it. This would make a great little appetizer. I really like it. I think I would leave it in a little bit longer just to get a tad bit more crispy, but other than that, it's pretty good. Friends, I am really shocked. I like this. I'm not a sweet eater, like cakes and cookies and things like that, but I could definitely, this would make a great low carb dessert. So I'm pleasantly surprised. I really, really like it a lot. So with all that said, friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, as it does greatly help me out. And don't forget to hit the little bell because it will notify you every time I have a new video coming out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because that helps me out as well. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. I do post over on those social media sites as well. I am pretty active, or very active, on Facebook and pretty active on Instagram. I post a ton of different other content, just kind of like mom life, everyday life, a whole lot of other things, more than what you see here on my YouTube channel. So please check me out there, all under Mama Needs a Goal. So friends, thanks again, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye!